Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Today it's a 13 GT Automatic. The car came in bone stock. We installed our Roush 710R kit. We are going to watch that dyno pull. This baby lays down over 540 real horsepower through the automatic at 93 octane. If you haven't subscribed, notified, except today, I've dug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, no long tube headers. This car came in, like I said, bone stock. We just installed our 710R package. We did do a rear cylinder cooling kit, 170 thermostat, larger fan. If you have questions about these parts, open the description. You can click on it, read a lot more about it. Doug, come down, take a look. It's a Roush TVS 2300. Of course, you get the nice GT500 throttle body, air induction system, 47-pound injectors. We give you Kohler spark plugs, boosted pump, killer setup. It's about 10 pounds of boost. It works on auto or manual. And of course, you can run this kit on your 11 to 14 GT. This is what it fits. This is a 13 GT Auto. Check out this dyno pull. All right, couple things. So like I said, I know I'm talking fast. I hope you enjoyed that dyno pull. DynoJet SAE smoothing 542 raw horsepower through the auto, peaking at 6,300 RPM. Love this torque. The torque right here, 512, peaking at 4,500. Boost comes in right around 10 pounds. So this is a killer setup. You can put it on your stock car. I like running this with long tubes. That would be the next mod on this. You know, you'd probably add about 20 raw horsepower. Get that torque up just a little bit more. But there you have it. Rear cylinder cooling kit, Kohler thermostat, upgraded fan, links in the description. Our Roush 710R package. We actually have these in stock. We're in Indiana. We can ship it right to your door, or you can come in for an install. Have any questions, leave that comment. Happy to answer. Thanks for watching.